You are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be solving a question on the topic link mechanism, and this is the link mechanism we are going to solve. It is as shown here. It has line VW which is inclined at 30 degrees to the horizontal, and line AP going this way. Now the first part of the question says that A slides between V and W. That is this A. It slides between V and W. It moves forward, upward and backward, upward and downward. And this arrow also made it clear to us that it actually moves along VW. Now the second part says AP always passes through O. This is AP. That it must always pass through this point O. It must always pass through, while A is along VW, AP must still pass through O at the same time. Now we are now asked to plot the locus of point P. Point P, this is point P. And again, take note, our VW is inclined at 30 degrees to the vertical. Our VW is 90, and AP is 100. This line is 100. How do you do that? The first thing to do is to just pick a point. Let's say we pick this point now, and you put a vertical line there. You put a vertical line there from that point. That's representing this vertical line. Then you now draw VW to be at 30-degree angle to that line. So you place your compass, your protractor. This center must be on the point, and the line must be along this edge. So you measure 30, 10, 20, 30. That's 30 degrees. So along that 30 degrees, you can now rule your line and measure 90, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. This is 90. Now, if that is our 90, now the next thing is to now locate our point O. This point O, you can see it is perpendicular. This measurement is perpendicular to VW. So you draw a perpendicular line to VW to locate our point O. But before then, let us at the same time, first of all, measure 60. This one is 60. The 60 is actually from V. V starts from that 60. So 60 is from V. So, and this is our 90. So we need to measure 60 backward. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So it is at this point that you draw a line perpendicular to this and measure your point, locate your point O. This is our 60. To draw perpendicular line to this, place this ruler on the line. First of all, place it like this. Put this one under it and slide it backward. Then you draw this line. So from here now, you now measure 24. 24. 10, 20. This is 24. So that is our point O. 24, that's our point O. Now, we now need to begin to locate different position of A. How do you do that? If you can just decide to take a arbitrary point along VW, or you can make it neater by marking 10, 10 mm, 10 mm, like that, So now on this 10 mm, along this 10 mm, let's say we have, let's start from here. Let's say this is A1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9. That's when it gets to V. Now, for when it is at A1, remember it must pass through this O. So you draw a line passing through that O, like that. When you draw the line passing through O, you now measure your AP. And what's our AP? 100. To locate our point P, AP is 100. This is 100. So that's our P1. Now you do the same thing. It must pass through O. Do another one from A2. It must always pass through O. Like that. And you measure your 100 along the line. This is 100. Like that. Now you take it from A4. It must pass through O. Put it like that. And take your measurement of 10. This is point P3. This is P2. Oh, we did not measure this one. Measure your 10. This is 10. That is P3. And this is P4. So again, you go from 5. You must pass through that O. This is the point. The point is here. Don't get confused. Let me erase the O and put it outside. Let's say this is our O here, and this is the point of 24 that the line must pass through. The line must pass through this point. So let us now take our A5 to pass through that hole. Then you measure 90. This is at 90. That will be P5. Now for the 60, let it pass through the point like that. This is 90. That will be P6. Then on 7, it must pass through O. It is pass through O like this. This is P7. That is 7, 8. 8 and must pass through O. It must pass through O like that. That is our P8. P8. And finally the last one. Remember it must pass through O. Point O, which is here. Here. You roll it. And these are points of P9. So we now have the points P1, P2, P3 up to P9. So you now join with French curve. That's the locus of P for the link mechanism. So let us, we can join these 4 points. And join them that way. And come and join this one. Come and join this ones. Let's join this 4. This, and you can now join this 3 like that. So that is the locus of point P. So to try to solve your own, we have double line here. Let us erase and do it properly. You're not supposed to have double line. When you are joining, you have to be very careful not to have double line. That's very careful. Okay, let's see how to do this. Okay, just like this. There's still double line there. You have to eliminate any form of double line. Like that. So that's the locus of point P. So try to solve the question on your own. If you have enjoyed the video, do like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done that. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet in the next video.